Hi guys, welcome to CBSE and State Board Study Circle. Let's discuss 5th Standard Karnataka State Board Environmental Studies, Chapter number 2, Families Exercise Parts. Okay? Yes. So you have been introduced in the family tree in class 4 itself. What is a family tree? Write the answer in the space provided. Answer: a family tree is a diagram that shows how multiple generations of family are connected to one another. Next, observe the example of serial number 1 and answer the followings. Okay, so here it is about Ramaya, Bhagya, and all the things here they have given. On the basis of this, we need to answer it. Okay, serial number 1, name Priya, relation is elder sister. Next, second one, Rakshit and Radhika, father and mother. Prema, aunt. Ramappa and Bhagamma, great grandparents. Ravi, Vinuta, grandparents. Pallavi, paternal auntie. Sharan, Suma, paternal auntie and uncle. Raju, Ramayya, grandparents. Kiran, cousins. Kirtana, cousin. Okay, next. While drawing the family tree, square symbol is for man and circle symbol is for woman have been used. Look at the symbols given below and name the relation. Okay. Here one side the serial number, sign and the relationship. In the first circle and dash square, it is husband and wife. Again same the circle and square, but it is to the next generation. So here the daughter and son relation. Next, square on up and on down means it means the mother and the daughter. Here, the square and the water related to them, it is a circle, so it is a father and daughter. So two squares by next to next, it means elder and the elder brother and the younger brother. Next, two circles side to side means elder sister and younger sister. Okay. Next, you have been introduced to my family. Now you draw your family tree. So till here we have introduced this one family now. So now it is time to introduce your family by drawing the family tree in the space provided. So just utilize this space and draw very neatly, properly your family tree. Okay, done. Next. Yes, on the basis of that only. So whatever the family tree you have drawn here, on the basis of that only, you need to answer all these questions. That how many generations are there in my family? How many generations are there in your family? Which is the bigger family of your our two families and how? Okay. So before we compare that family and your family, you need to compare it and you need to write it down all the answers. Next. See, here one more activity is there that do you want to know the type of your family? Then let us see. Okay. Then put right mark or a wrong marks for the following family features. If you have more right marks, then your family is a nuclear family. And if you have more wrong marks, then your family is a joint family. Okay. So I have already mentioned all the features. Okay, so just once we will check it out and us know let you know that my family is a nuclear or a what, the joint family. The first one is there are two generations in my family. Yes, it is true. Second one, we all are related. Yes, it is also be true. Correct. Then put the right marks. Then third one, the elders in the house are the father and the mother. Yes, that is also be true. So I'll put the right mark. Then fourth one, the size of my family is a small. Yes, that is also be true. Then the next fifth one, all the children of the family are unmarried. So that is also be the true. So all the marks are right mark only. So if we have more right mark means it is a nuclear family. If you have more wrong marks means it is a joint family. So here mine all are a right marks are a more are in right marks are more. So mine family is a yes. With the help of the above features, we come to know that my family is a nuclear family. Mine is a nuclear one. Then next. You have seen my friend's family. Write your opinion about this, about his family. So here, this is my friend's family. Okay, and by seeing this picture, we can say that yes, the many people, the many generations, more than two generations, they are living together in the same house. Okay, using the same kitchen. So answer, friend's family is a joint family consisting of a two, three generations. Okay, no, more than two generations. The next, write the similarities and differences you have noticed so far among your and my friends' families. Similarities, differences. Similarities, all families provide emotional and social support to their members. Differences, families differ in size, for example, small family or a big family. The next, similarities. All families pass cultural and moral values. Differences is that decisions taken by the elderly person in joint family and by parents in small family. Next, similarity. All families respect elderly persons. Differences, expenses are shared in joint family and expenses are only on parents in a small family. Okay, the joint family, whatever the expenses will be there, the family expenses, it is going to be shared in all the members. But in the small family, only the parent, they need to fulfill all the expenses. Similarities, all families have common goals like education and development of the children. Then what is the differences? Grandparents look after the children and parents only have to look after about their children in the small family. Chalo. My friend's family is a joint family. Discuss with friends and write the advantages and disadvantages of the joint family. Here we need to discuss the advantages being a part of a joint family and disadvantages also being a part of a joint family. Serial number one, advantage. Children grow up with the guidance of a grandparents. Disadvantage, differences in opinion between the generations. Advantage, household chores are shared. Disadvantage, with family, with many people living in one house, finding personal space is difficult. Advantage, members have constant emotional support. Here, individual disadvantage, it is individual often have to compromise their personal choices. Who is there to help your family? Write the various types of help they have done for your family in the space provided. Sima, many times we need the help of others. Okay. Huh. So, who helped us in various situations? We need to write it down. Who helped and what sort of a help? What sort of a help we received from them? How they helped us? Okay, what type of a help we received from them? So, we need to write it down. Okay, first one, who? Grandparents. How they help the children and share family tradition. So help the child care. Okay, they took care of the child and then they share the family traditions. The next, neighbors. How the neighbors helped us? keep an eye on the house when we are out of station. Means they'll take care of our house when we are out of station. The next, close friends provide emotional support and help during emergencies. Next, family doctors offers medical advice and healthcare to keep everyone healthy. Next, domestic helpers or maids assists with cleaning, cooking, or managing household chores. Chores means the works. Hmm? Next, we need to compare my family and the other family. Take my family, taking care and protection, and other family, they teach lessons to us. My family give the required education to me. Others family provide treatment when we sick. My family show love and affection. Others support when mother is not there. Means when she is out of station, when she is not at home, she went somewhere at that time. My family provide necessities. Others provide provisions for food. My family spare lots of time. Others consoling if we lose in the game. Okay. So along with my members of my family, others and neighbors also help us. Okay, done. So here visit at least the 10 houses in your neighborhood and write down the name of the head of the family in every house and mention the number of members in that family. Observe the example, fill in the information in the format as shown. Okay, so at least you need to visit 10 neighborhood families, neighboring families, or your relatives' families, and you just note down their family details according to this table, the name of the head of that family, so total number of the family members, and who are they, give the relation with the head of the family. If for example here the Ramana, he is the head of the family, so how many members are there in his family? Overall 6 members. So what is the relationship with those members with the Ramana? So one is father, mother, wife, son, daughter, this kind of a relation is there, na? So we need to write it down. So like that we visit 10 homes and note down all the details. Okay, and on the basis of this details only, you need to answer the following questions. Like number of families which have less than 5 members, number of families which have more than the 5 members, number of families which have only 2 generations, the number of families which have more than 2 generations. On the basis of this details only, on the basis of these details, this table only, you need to answer all these 4 questions. Okay, next, after doing this activity, I learned. So what we learned? We need to write that also. Okay. So this is what to answer the following questions with the help of the picture given below. So here what we will learn from the family, that is given to here. What are the good qualities I learned from a family? And the answer is, the good qualities I learned from a family are affection, cooperation, coordination, love, respect for elders, improving relationships. Next, second question. Why do I need a family? For what reason I need? Then the answer is, a family provides us food, shelter, and security for us and provides the emotional support. So because of this reason, we need a family. So these are what? These are the exercises of chapter 2, family. So thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel, that is CBSE and State Board Study Circle, to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you.